Why NASA stopped exploring the ocean. We've mapped Mars. We've walked on the moon. But we still don't fully understand our own oceans. Here's something strange. NASA, the space agency, used to explore the ocean, and then, almost quietly, they stopped. Some say they found something mysterious. Others say they simply changed missions. So what really happened? Why did NASA stop exploring the ocean? NASA's story with the ocean began long before spaceflight. In the 1950s and 60s, the US government wanted to understand Earth before it could explore space. NASA's early scientists studied Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and weather systems, using satellites to track how our planet worked as a living system. The ocean wasn't just water. It was a mirror of the planet's health. Ocean temperatures control weather, and ocean currents move energy around the globe. To study these systems, NASA needed to send cameras, sensors, and even people into extreme environments, like deep underwater. Why? Because the deep sea was the closest thing on Earth to alien worlds. You can't train for zero gravity easily, but you can get close by going underwater. That's why NASA built the Neutral Buoyancy Lab in Houston, a massive pool where astronauts still train today. In the 1990s and 2000s, NASA even launched missions called NEMO, NASA Extreme Environment Mission Operations. Astronauts live for days beneath the ocean in an underwater lab called Aquarius. They studied survival, communication, and teamwork, the same challenges they'd face on the International Space Station or one day on Mars. For NASA, the ocean was never just the ocean. It was a testing ground for the future of space exploration. Over time, NASA's focus shifted. When the agency was founded, its mission was to explore aeronautics in space. As the Apollo program, the Shuttle, and Mars missions took priority, budgets followed the stars. In the 1970s, the U.S. created a new agency, NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Many of NASA's ocean programs, scientists, and satellites were transferred there. NASA didn't abandon the ocean, it just passed the torch. Still, online, a darker theory spread. What if NASA found something in the ocean they didn't want to talk about? Some people claim NASA stopped because they discovered something huge, maybe an unknown species, ancient structures, or even signs of life. Others point to strange sonar readings, deep sea sounds like the bloop, or unexplained disappearances. While there's no proof NASA found anything secret, the mystery survives because the ocean is still mostly unexplored. In fact, we've only mapped about 20% of the ocean floor, and we've explored less than 5% of its depths. The rest? Still a mystery. The truth is simple. NASA never really stopped exploring Earth. Their satellites still track ocean temperatures, sea level rise, and coral bleaching from orbit. Whether it's the deep sea or deep space, the mission is the same: to understand our place in the universe. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, the greatest mystery might be right below your feet.